Welcome to a very special episode of
Great Things Happen
Every Day. Tonight, the Great Things Happen Every Day burping contest. We have chosen our fuel. We were looking for something without caffeine, so Sprite Zero it is. I think you've poured half the can in your cup. I'm now going to pour some in my cup. It looks like about a 50-50 split. 6 ounces apiece. A little extra. We don't really have a format, whether it'll be most burps.
Just quality overall.
Quality of burps.
Length, volume.
Please don't throw up.
We won't throw up.
Lack of vomiting. Vomiting will disqualify you. Cheers. That was almost.
Kind of like a series. A little series.
I'm just going through the whole drink and see what I get. Oh man, you're killing me.
You gotta make them loud and percussive. You get more out of it.
It's building. I should have thought about this before I offered this challenge.
We can't burp any more ABCs. That's as far as I can go. I'm not like Hammy off over the hedge. If you want a little bit of mine, I got most of the dribbles. Hey, not out of my cup.
Oh, the other end. I mean, this is like pity Sprite.
Pretty Sprite, I like it.
Yeah, now you're gonna disqualify yourself.
If I keep up those trying to hold them out, you can come back and up.
Jeez. It feels like I got one bubbling up. I will warn you. I've got a big one bubbling up. Probably have a beer later and just rattle. I've got burp stage fright. I never thought this could happen.
Do you not know how to make one happen without using carbonation? You got
Yes, I do. But I don't have any. I'm getting schooled on burping.
That was
It's
a
like-
primo
it's like-
burp. It would have been something.
Whatever. Uh-oh.
Almost.
I think you just need to quit while you're ahead. All right. I declare you winner. Congratulations.
I don't want to hear either one of you complaining about stomach ache.
Great things. Actually, we recorded the whole idea behind this contest was a recording of you drinking the what is that pop from Jungle Gyms you like?
Mexican Jarritos.
Jarritos. So we've already got the ending ready.
Great things happen every day.
You're not gonna burp, are you?